Chicken idioms. Idioms activator. Menu. Click an image to go to the section. Chicken idioms. Chickens have always been an important part of British life since the first were introduced to the island during the pre-Roman Iron Age. Romans made them more popular as a food source, particularly for egg production, after Claudius invaded Britain in the 1st century AD. Today, chickens are the most widespread livestock animal not only in the world but also in Britain. Because of their importance, there are several common idioms associated with chickens in English, and we'll look at them in detail in this lesson. The idioms include flock together, come home to roost, pecking order, fly the coop, henpecked, and rule the roost. When first introduced to the British Isles, chickens were undoubtedly kept as free-range animals in villages. Free-range means that they were not confined to one place and were free to forage on scraps of food, insects, and whatever else they could find lying around. As chickens are gregarious birds, they like to live together in flocks and have a communal approach to raising their young. The flock is normally presided over by a rooster or cockerel, while the female chickens, the hens, establish a pecking order whereby more dominant chickens get the pick of the food and of the best nesting sites. One problem with free-range chickens is predation. Unprotected hens make easy pickings for foxes and other predators at night. Not only this, but chickens will also lay their eggs in places that may not be easily found when you want an egg for breakfast. These problems led to the keeping of chickens in chicken coops. A coop not only protects the chickens from predators, but also protects them from bad weather. Chickens will come home to roost in the coop at night. They'll also lay their eggs inside the coop where the broody hens will incubate them until they hatch. Once hatched, the chickens will eventually fly the coop, even though chickens cannot actually fly. During the day, the chickens will flock together and forage for food. Thanks to the established pecking order, the more prominent hens will get the best of the food and will peck at subordinate hens who refuse to toe the line. Anyone who's kept chickens for any length of time will have observed this behaviour, and these observations gave us the idiom henpecked. A henpecked husband is one who's being constantly nagged or bullied by a domineering wife. The cockerel normally rules the roost, with the hens fighting for prominence within the flock through their ability to peck their subordinates. Reading practice. Now read the text you just listened to. Activator. Now we'll activate the vocabulary you've learnt in this lesson with a series of questions.